to help improve your voice quality and any kind of throat irritation, especially the voice quality, and even helps with cough as well. Just get a towel and stick out your tongue. Use your fingertips, grab it, pull it out side to side. Do it for about maybe 2 minutes. You have to feel better. Remember, you got to pull it out a little bit slightly, then side to side, slowly, gently. Don't pull out too much, just slightly, until you feel a little bit of strain, but not too much strain. Try it out. Good for your voice, good for your throat. Bye.